My name's Curtis.
And my name's David.
And this is Bobby, and we live in Leichhardt. We've lived here for about 10 years now. I really like walking down the street and being able to run into people you know.
When I moved in, there was 9 people living here. There's 5 bedrooms. It was a big student house.
Our bedroom is still very much that kind of student vibe and doesn't quite reflect our life stage at the moment.
Our work has changed.
So we're actually both getting ready at the same time.
You have to dance between different parts of the room in perfect movements in order to get out on time. And if there's clutter around, it's like that extra little bit that stops you from getting everything organised.
Not having built-in wardrobes is a big frustration because our stuff's a bit cluttered and a bit smushed together.
It's also going to be good to fix what's under the bed because at the moment it's
gross.
For me, it's just simply miraculous. This is an expression of who we are.
I totally feel like this room has grown up, and now it feels like we're ready to head into our 30s with a proper grown-up room. The whole thing is such a big change. The way everything fits together. Can't believe we've got that much wardrobe space in our room now. It's just totally changed everything.
As personal as the room was before, now it's more peaceful, it's more adult, and we can actually appreciate the art and the photos and the elements, including a chair, somewhere we can actually sit and read in this peaceful space. Amazing. It's organised and everything has its place, and the way it ties all together is very powerful.